Hey folks, Mr. Olson here with another homework overview. This video is about the homework going out the morning of Monday, May 3rd. As we continue through our discrimination and social movements unit, we're going to be moving on to be talking about some of the folks who have been involved in fighting back and pushing for change. And later on this week, we're going to get into a number of different Minnesota civil rights leaders. But for your homework this week, we want to focus on one particular very significant civil rights leader in Minnesota's history, and her name is Lena Smith. So on the screen in front of you, you see your assignment. It's called Lena Smith Bio/Video, and you see a picture there of a young Lena Smith. For this assignment, again, going out Monday, May 3rd, due Monday, May 10th at 8 a.m., there are three parts to it, and you're going to be using a little bit of text, you're going to be using a short video clip, and then you're going to have a quick summarizing part. Each part of the assignment, I imagine, is going to take each of you maybe 10 to 15 minutes, all told, between that half an hour, 45-minute range that I kind of target for homework assignments. So part one is based off of an excerpt that I took from the website Minnepedia, which is a Minnesota history website of a kind of biography. Just give you some basic background on Lena Smith. And so what I have here is I have just a short excerpt, and each paragraph has kind of a comprehension question after it. Just kind of make sure you're paying attention, get the key info out. So you read the first paragraph, you'll answer the question, it'll come from the first paragraph. Second question, second paragraph, etc. Once you finish that first part, you'll go on to the second part of the assignment. For the second part of the assignment, you're going to watch a video clip about Lena Smith. And so it's taken from a larger documentary series called Minnesota's Black Pioneers. So you'll click the link right here, and when the link opens, you'll see that it's going to take you to a video that's like almost 2 hours long. I don't want you to watch the whole 2 hours. Actually, if you want to watch the whole 2 hours, great, watch the whole 2 hours. There's interesting stuff in here, interesting people it'd be great to learn about. But what I want you to watch is about 11 minutes about Lena Olive Smith. And so you'll see the time is in here that I want you to go ahead to is 29:23, and you're going to play through 40:37. So if you start up, you can just kind of slide it ahead to 29:17, close enough. You hit play, and then it'll get to the part where it says, it's going to say, Fearless and from the West. That's the Lena Smith segment that you're going to watch. Now, during the video, there's going to be 4 questions you're going to answer, 3 of which are going to come kind of straight from the video, 1 of which is kind of an inference question you'll answer kind of at the end of the video. Now, I want to be very clear that information from, it says 1, it should say 5. 6 through 8. Information for question 5 will kind of come from throughout the clip. So throughout the clip, you'll look for different accomplishments that she has, but then there's also a specific question that'll come early in the clip about the Pantages Theater. It's going to ask you to kind of summarize what happened to Arthur Lee. That'll be a big part of the clip. And then at the end, there'll be an inference question about Arthur Lee. Then, at the very end of the assignment, you've got kind of a quick summarizing section. And I know Lena Smith is someone, she's one of these people that people in the know really well. And people who know about Minnesota's Black history and civil rights history really know a lot about Lena Smith, but the average person doesn't. And I know a lot of you, if you're having dinner at night, your parents might sometimes ask, hey, what did you learn about in school today? Well, I want you to imagine that conversation for a second. I want you to imagine that you've done this assignment. Mom, dad, whoever has said, all right, what did you learn about in school today? And you say, oh, I learned about Lena Smith. They might honestly react by saying, who is she? Okay. And so based off of what you saw in the video, what you saw in the reading, I want you to answer that question. If mom or dad said, who is she? You now have the job of explaining who Lena Smith was and why she mattered. So in a paragraph of 4 to 6 sentences, what would you tell them? Who is Lena Smith? Why did she matter? Okay, so that's the assignment. 3 parts going out Monday, May 3rd, due Monday, May 10th. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Pop into office hours if needed. Good luck.